Hey, what's up guys? This is Greg from Asus, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the Asus VivoBook Pro N580. This laptop was designed for creative professionals who are looking for a powerful system that's also a great value. And the N580 packs in a lot of premium features and design elements like the brushed aluminum finish, premium sound, touchscreen display, and even discrete graphics. So what makes this a Pro model? What separates it from the rest of the VivoBook line? Well, first let's start with the performance. It features a quad-core Intel Core i7-7700 HQ CPU at up to 3.8 GHz, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with 4 GB of GDDR5, 16 GB of DDR4 memory at 2400 MHz, and a 512 GB SATA SSD. Keeping these components cool is our intelligent dual-fan design that automatically adjusts speeds to deliver maximum cooling efficiency with minimal noise. Another feature professionals will appreciate is the 15.6-inch touchscreen display. It covers 100% of sRGB for accurate colors with any type of content. The audio was co-developed with Harman Kardon and features powerful dual-coil stereo speakers with 8 cubic centimeter chambers for robust and immersive sound. For connectivity, we've got USB 3.1 Type-C, HDMI 1.4, USB 3.1 Type-A, RJ45 networking port, and the power input. On the opposite side, we've got a Kensington lock, dual USB 2.0, a headset jack, and an SD card reader. Also, there's a full-size backlit keyboard with 1.4 millimeters of key travel for a comfortable typing feel. And the touchpad features a fingerprint sensor for one-touch access using Windows Hello. I think this system would be great for any creative professionals out there or students who are studying to be one. With the discrete NVIDIA GTX 1050, it's also a very capable gaming system. So if you want a laptop that can do board meetings during the day and then game all night, this would be a great choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at the VivoBook Pro N580 VD. If so, please subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions about this laptop, go ahead and ask them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.